Hi everyone, my name is AINATUL and I will be presenting my final year project, which is R-Valet Recycle One Stop Center. This project was supervised by my supervisor, Dr. Muhammad Halim Muhammad Noor. R-Valet is actually a web application designed to become a one-stop center for recycling purposes. So both recycle collection center and the customer who are in need of recycled item for reuse purposes will gather here in one system to complete their task. So the first problem that actually invented the system is, have you ever moved out and find it hard to find recycle center to find items? So I was moving out from my house and I want to actually send my items, the recycle items to a center, but I find it so hard to find a new recycle center nearby my house. So I think it is a valid reason to develop this system. The second problem was, if I were in need of recycled items for use purposes, I need it to be easy to find the items, to purchase the items. And the third problem is that when I was actually at the recycle center, I found out that they're still using traditional system instead of keeping their inventory in the system, like in modern way, in an efficient way. So the solution is that I want to develop a system. I want to help the center to actually use converting their old system to a new system, which the old system was they still track their inventory manually and keeping orders in book. So I decided to develop R-Valet, which is for them to use a new and efficient system to track inventories and orders they receive. So the objective of this project is that to develop a web application that can ensure high quality system care and integrity. Also to ease the center's management system. This is the system module, so it consists of two main modules, which is the admin module and client module. So as for the admin module, it will be my task, which is to add, update, and delete client. Clients is the recycle collection center. So under the second module, which is the client module, it consists of two submodules, item submodule and customer submodule. Under item submodule, it has add and delete category and also add, delete, and update items. As for the customer submodule, it has view items and categories, search item, and create order. And for your information, admin module and item submodule are the back end of the system, while for the customer submodule is the front end of the system. So here's the system architecture. The system needs a stable internet connection to access the server. And for the data, they will retrieve the data, store the data inside a database called MySQL. Also, the impacts and benefits of this system is that first, it is efficient for reuse purposes. Second, it will help to empty the landfill instead of the landfill being filled up by so many dumps, including the chemical items and also the hard items. And the third one was to keeping the flora and fauna safe and stay intact in their habitat. And the fourth one, or the last one, is to increase the environmental awareness. So let's start with project demo. So here we shall start from the admin module, which is I already set myself as the admin of the system. So I will key in my username and my password. Also, as my user type, I will click my role as admin. So I will click login, so it will bring into dashboard. So in here, I already added 5 clients and I already add 3 categories in the system. So here's the client, which it consists of add center, change password, update center, and delete center. This system is actually the admin will have to add the user, set the password. Admin will set the password for each client. So this is for the category where the admin will add the category to be viewed in the front end system, aka inside the R-Valet website. So next we will go through the client module, which is I already added in the database. So next we're going to client. This one, I as an admin has already key in the system already initially. So now we're going to log in as client. So once we log in as client, it will display this dashboard, summary dashboard, which consists of 3 categories, 2 items, 3 total orders, and the revenue generated. This is for the item, which consists of add item, update item, delete item features. And this one is for the order. This one I already set it initially. So we can update the order. To, for example, this one is status is ordered, so we can update the order to delivered. So the quantity is 2 and the price is 2 ringgit. So the total will be 4 ringgit. Once we change the status, once we update the status to delivered, it will display in the revenue generated inside the dashboard. So the delivered, so the dashboard will become 12 ringgit of added 4 ringgit from the first 8. So now we are going to the front end of the system, which is the customer submodule. So this is the front end of the system, aka the website of R-Valet. So this one, it has the features of search for items. It displays the categories that admin has added, and also the available items that the client has added inside. So for example, we are back to the client module. I want to add the item. So add the items, pepper, description, anything. But I should set it to not available first. So the price, for example. So we have to choose the pepper. Category, we can choose pepper, which is like I already added. Featured, yes. Active, yes. So when we click the add item and refresh here, so it will display like another item. For example, if you want to order this item, you can just click order now and it will display order form. So we added quantity like 10, 7. So we just entered the delivery details. And then email, address, and confirm order. So it will display the status like item ordered successfully. And to check the validation, we can back to client and we can click order. So just we doesn't have to update. It already displayed in here. The total 14 ringgit. So initially I told when we update order to delivered, so it will update the revenue generated also. So I think that's all for the project demo of my system. Thank you everyone. Bye.